this is my little sister Leon.
Hi guys.
Today we be baking you guys a chocolate cake. First, you're going to put the temp on 350 for shiny metal or glass pen, or 325 for dark or non-stick pen. You grease the bottom only. Step 2, you are going to need cake mix, water, oil, and 3 eggs in a large bowl.
There we go. And what do this too?
What is that you pouring?
This.
It's butter.
Yeah, a butter.
Melted butter.
More a butter. There.
Pour all of it.
There we go.
All of it? Is all of it poured? Okay. What are you doing right now? Are you mixing it?
Yeah. It's so good.
It's so good and moist.